Ok, tenemos ONNX,
ONNX.
Marketing API, Mobile Apps. ¿Y en cuál es en el de... ¿Cuál es el de AI? Me parece que es el mismo developer de ellos, es el nombre. No, sí, pero no. Hi. So, we're doing a live for the developer circles in Mexico. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, you're going to ask me a
Yeah, I
question?
have a question. I remember last year you had some access to Quick Labs to do some Cafe 2 training. Are you still working with Quick Labs or have any other way of doing workshops like online?
I actually don't know about that. What's that? Do you know?
I think there were like some training classes with Cafeto. I mean, basically there is like both of PyTorch and Cafeto, which are now being united into a single offering. There's going to be like training classes. I think like Udacity is going to be like. I mean, they might have some of the classes, and there will be like more coming online.
There's something already published on
Yeah, I mean, there are classes on PyTorch, there are classes on Cafeto, there's like NVIDIA, like those ones that you mentioned were like NVIDIA's like online classroom. They should be still available basically, and there's going to be like we are like trying to refresh content with like new stuff on kind of like different training platforms. Yeah. Like for PyTorch, like Fast AI is like switching to PyTorch for lots of their classes. You know, like Fast.ai. It's like yet another like ML kind of. I mean, they're teaching like deep learning in general, right? So like there's like more like deep learning course, but as a kind of toolkit, they're using PyTorch right now.
Yeah, but I read that they switched from another framework to PyTorch recently. So basically, you are like leveraging on offerings of third party.
But we actually kind of partner with them to like help with them content, etc. But like, yeah, majority is like actually like third party. Like, I mean, they do much better job kind of like curating the educational content and know how to do it, etc. So it's kind of like partnership.
Great, thank you.
Whatever of you who can answer. So yesterday I shared a live with the app that you had for body recognition. So the members of the community are asking where they can find the information, how can they start to work on that and using it. So who wants to answer?
I think you're referring to like dense polls and key points estimation. I think that code is open source, but we probably need to have a better tutorial how to get started with that.
The idea is just to share with them how to start, where can they find information, how can they use it in their apps.
So subscribe to our open source repository like PyTorch and ONNX. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Where are we going now? Oh, what is this?
Voy a una sesión y te
Ve.
Oh, sorry.